This is the boat we're going on here to do our snorkeling. Tropicat is a nice little boat.
These are the last couple storms that our cousins buy in the Pacific. Every year we have this pretty bad weather, from July to September.
Can't tell, but it's raining on us here a little bit. Obviously, a lot of people come right out here by these rocks. Got kayakers, snorkelers, snorkeling right here. This is called Lover's Beach, I guess. See that from, there's the world famous arch as compared to other world famous arches. This is obviously right in here. It's a very busy area. We're not staying here at all. We're leaving, going for 45 minutes to get to Chilo Bay. And I'll hoist the sail here. Catch the wind here and hopefully sail.